Hello, we're going to be talking about the rally cars. Rally cars were so smaller than any off-roader ever. Some rally cars had tracks, some had tires, but didn't have both of them. But sometimes they had tracks alone. Sometimes they had tires alone. These cars mean small rally vehicles. That means they were kind of tiny, but they were not. But they were clever. Their speed is almost 100 miles. That's almost a day. And that's the fast time for a fast rally car to do that. Goodbye. If you like my channel, click like and subscribe. Bye-bye.